Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be taking you guys on how to properly fix a senator placket on a kaftan using gum, which is one of the most simplest and easiest method to fix your placket. So make sure you watch the video to the end and learn one or two things as we proceed on the video. So you take your, first and foremost, you take your collar stay, that is your placket. You measure the width of your placket and the length of your placket. So I already measured the width of my placket in the beginning of this video. So for this placket, I was using 1.3 there for this placket, because this placket I added monogram design to this placket. So I use 1.3 for the placket weight. I divide the 1.3 by 2. I get the midpoint of 1.3. Then I'm folding my kaftan. I'm folding my front borders, my kaftan, where we are going to place the placket. I'm folding it with the half point or the midpoint of 1.3 for our placket, so we can get a perfect line when fixing the placket. So for this kaftan front borders, if you look closely, you will see I added stay to the front part of this kaftan. It's optional. If you don't want to add stay to your kaftan, you can also do it. But for this kaftan, I'm adding stay to it. So sometimes I add stays and sometimes I don't add stays, depending on what I am using. Then you take the down part. This is the under color of the placket. You mention the length you are going to be using, and I believe most of us can actually do this thing that I did there. And if you don't know how to make a placket, I will drop the description in the box below for you to know how to make a placket like this. So you mention what you are going to use for the opening. For this, I'm using 7.5 inches. That's what I measure, 7.5 inches, and I cut it out to where I get the 7.5 inches point. So the folded part that we actually did on the kaftan, can you see the gator line that we have there? So this is going to be, or this is going to serve as a guideline on how we are going to fix the placket. So our placket can fall at the midpoint of our kaftan. So that is exactly why we folded half of the placket. For instance, if you are using maybe 1.5 inches, you divide your placket by 1.5, you get 0.25. That is what you are going to use to fold your clothes at the beginning part. If you are using 2 inches placket, then you divide it into two, you fold 1 inch, so you can get the midpoint, and when you fix your placket, it's going to be at the middle. Then after that, you take the under placket like this, you fix it to the cloth, then you measure the gum you are going to be using. Then you put your gum at the down part as shown in the video, like what I'm doing. Can you see it clearly? So you put your gum at the down part, to use your gum to hold it down, because I have a video on how to make a placket without the use of gum. But I also got some what is it called, some DMs on me that it's kind of complex. Let me make another video. That is why I'm making this tutorial video, how to use gum to put down your placket before you sew it. Because this we are doing is just to put down the placket. We are still going to sew on it. So make sure you watch the video to the end so you can see how we are going to sew on it. So you can have the full knowledge of how to really fix this placket. So can you see what I'm doing? I'm really taking my time. Can you see? So I follow the gator line, the mark I have that I've used to fold my kaftan from the beginning, beginning. So is what I'm having here like this. Can you see what I'm doing? So after you've placed your placket following the gator line, so our placket can actually fall at the midpoint, then you add your gum to it. Then you do what? You place your hot iron on it to hold the placket on the kaftan as shown in the video. Can you see what I'm doing? This is one of the simplest and easiest method. This is going to really actually help you release little of the stress. It's going to help you release little of the stress, because the gun will do most of the work while you sew on it. So just take your time, watch the video, and if you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel, because I bring the simplest and easiest method on YouTube that you can ever come across, and I always take my time to make explanations that is going to really help you in achieving whatever you want to do. So after you've use your hemi gum to hold it down. Can you see what we're having? um then you can proceed on to add your pockets to it. So for this one, I'll be adding my pockets to it as shown in the video. Can you see? I'm adding my pocket to it also. I'm going to use the hemi gum to hold it down, depending using the measurement I want to use. So having this work is just going to help you walk through after you've successfully used the hemi gum to hold every part you want to hold. All we need to do is just to proceed to the machine and sew them. After sewing it, then you iron. So for this pocket, I'm using 10.5 inches for my for the length of the pocket, 10.5 inches. Then from the pocket to the placket, I use 1.1 inch allowance depending on the kind of person I'm using. I use 1 inch, I use 1.5. Can you see? From the placket to where I place the pocket, I use 1 inch. That is the space in between is 1 inch. It's the same thing you are going to also do. Then making sure you use your hemi gum to hold down both sides of it, so that when you are sewing it, it will be easy, it will be easier for you to just sew it. So can you see what I'm doing? I believe if you follow this step like this, it's going to help you. You're going to achieve the same thing. You just follow this step, you're going to achieve the same thing. It's one of the simplest method you can ever come across. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and make sure you turn on the notification bell. I have other videos on my page here that you can check how to make this plaquette. You can check how to do that. Is on my video. The description is um the link is on the description box, whereby you can learn how to make this kind of plaquette. Then after that, you proceed to your sewing machine. Then you sew the down part, which is the one we are placing for the plaquette, the under one. You sew it gently. Can you see? If you are the fact that we've used the hemi gum to hold down the plaquette or whatever we are doing, it makes the work more easier to just work on. So it makes the work more easier to just work on. But wherever the case may be, make sure you take your time while sewing, so that you can have a perfect and straight stitches. So make sure you take your time while sewing. So just follow the process like this, and you are going to actually get a perfect result. So can you see what I'm doing? Can you see? So I take my time again, I sew it. You see? Just take your time and follow, and make sure you are having a straight stitches. Make sure what you are using is straight, your lines are straight. So the same thing applies. Can you see what I'm doing? So just take your time, you see? So if you find this video helpful, make sure you give a thumbs up, make sure you like the video, and you comment wherever you are watching from. And you also comment if you'll be trying this method, because it's one of the easiest method. So after that, you take your time, you use your hand to align or place each part very well, making sure that they are well relaxed, making sure that your kaftan is well relaxed on it. So then after, you sew along. I'm actually taking my time because I don't want and one thing there is I did not actually skip the video. I just make sure that so that you guys can actually learn it very well. So I did not skip the video in any part. I just have to take my time. I did not watch the video, so you guys can actually see how to do this. Making sure that your stitches are straight, that is most important thing. That is what client looks in your work. The moment you present your work, they examine your stitches, how straight your line is or how straight your hand is. So that one is very, very important. That is why if you watch much of my videos, I always tell you that take your time to have a perfect work. Just take your time to have a perfect work. So after you are done with that also, you sew on the pocket that we've already um use our hemi gum to hold down. Can you see that while I was sewing, or while I was running stitches on the placket, the pocket was just there relaxing on its own, simply because we've already used the hemi gum to hold down the pocket. So after you have done with it, Then all what you need to do is for you to proceed to the iron and give it a good iron press. So that is all about this video, and make sure you subscribe because I will be dropping another video next week. So make sure you follow tunes and subscribe to this channel. Thank you and see you later.